Hi, Dr. Goldsmith here. Getting ready to do another Jiffy Knee for a young man who has suffered from knee pain for an extended period of time and tried all sorts of different injections and therapy and braces, and unfortunately continued having discomfort that was affecting his quality of life, so is now an excellent candidate for a Jiffy Knee replacement. What I am seeing with the Jiffy Knee recovery compared to the standard midline incision is that these patients are having much less discomfort, and they're up and ambulating and walking and back to doing activities much quicker. At my 3-week visit, when I see you for the first time, I would say the vast majority, if not all of my Jiffy Knee patients are not using a walker or a cane even to ambulate. They're firing that quad muscle, which we don't have to cut, and they're starting to get back to activities much quicker. Recently did another physician who went back to work as an ER doctor about 3 weeks after his surgery. And we're seeing patients return back to golf and walking and physical activities that they had not been doing for a long time, really within the first month of surgery. So just a faster recovery and less pain. What else could you ask for?